new place. I want to show you guys the place and talk to you guys about what I'm gonna do. I'm going to start painting right now, so I moved my bed around, and last night I had it set up like kind of the layout of how I want the finished look to be, but right now it's literally so chaotic in here. Yeah, so let me just show you guys. That's the door. That's my sister, she's gonna take it. And this is going to be like my bedroom area. So yeah, I'm gonna have my bed low. Gonna paint the walls all white. And over here, under these lights, I'm thinking about putting a little sofa. I'm not sure yet. And on this side, I'm gonna put my gold mirror that I had in my last room. I'm gonna put it on that wall, and I'm most likely gonna put this like treasure chest thing under that. Over here is gonna be like my sewing area. So what I wanna do is get a cutting table, and I wanna put the cutting table under the window. And I'm also gonna do that board thing on top of this so it can hold all my sewing supplies. On this little wall right here, I'm going to, my plant is just all messed up because it fell. I'm going to have a little shelving unit. So I'm gonna put my fabric and computer on and some like clothes that I don't want exposed outside, I guess. That's what I'm gonna do. So now this monstrosity. This bathroom is going to be remodeled, obviously. So basically on the flooring is going to be this black octagon tile that I found, and it's going to be going into the shower. I'm going to have a glass divider. I'm not sure how to say it, but basically it's just going to be glass right here, and I'm going to get all new shower stuff right here. I'm going to have a sink, and then I want a big ol' mirror. Hopefully this week I can start buying like the tile and everything, so I can start doing that. Once the bathroom is done, then I can start focusing on, you know, if I want to get a sofa for out here, because my main, like the budget that I have, I just really want to take care of the bathroom because I don't want to cheap out, and I want it to be really nice and my style and just like work, you know? Hopefully she doesn't try to eat my paint. These two walls right here, so as you can see, it's that blue color and now it's white. I also painted this bathroom door situation area. I'm gonna replace that door, so I'm not even tripping on that. And I painted this wall right here, and I just need this big ass wall and that big ass wall.
Make everyone happy. It is impossible, and some people don't want to be happy.
In my last video, I talked about how I'm gonna start doing underwear. So I'm really excited. I just got the fabric in the mail. It's bamboo jersey. Subscribe to my website so you guys can get the updates. So these are the colors, like an olivey light green. I got this beautiful red burgundy color because holidays, you know. This color, which is like a teal blue, classic black. Just because I like neutrals, and you know, I figured just have some cool fun colors. So I'm so excited. I literally have been such a slacker lately and I am not very happy about it. So, you know, I just wanted to get creative, and I'm so happy that these came because I can have something to work on. Quick little update on my place because I have my own place, I guess. But yeah, let's show you guys around. I feel like it looks the exact same, but my bed, I like the rug right here, but I'm definitely gonna get a big rug to cover like majority of the floor. Want to get white sheets for my bed, and I just want to have like this pop up here. I want to hang up some plants, and I don't know if I want to put anything right there because I kind of want to have just a blank wall for my for this right here, my projector. Yeah, and on this one I'm going to eventually put in my vanity mirror that I had in my old room. And then on this side I am going to move the clothing rack is going to go on this wall. Purchased my tiles. We're gonna be loading them right now. Is that the right one? Huh?
Okay, so stay away from me. That's my boyfriend, okay? Thank you, guys.
Thank you. So I went to the tile store yesterday and I found the tile that I'm going to be putting on the floor. So I'm really excited because that means that I'm one step closer to getting my bathroom done and I can just feel comfortable, and then I can start decorating all of this chaos behind me. So I'm going to show you guys the tile I got. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. So this is the flooring. Just a quick update. Got the tiles. Have about 7 boxes of this.